Today I would like to explain about the with statement. You are observing my mouse pointer, right? Explaining about the with statement in Python. The with statement is used for exception handling to make code cleaner and simpler. That means while use the with statement, the developer or you can handle the code, you can make the code cleaner and simpler. It is generally used for management of common resources like creating, editing and saving files. Common resources, that is used for the management of common resources, means commonly, for example, if we take any file opening the file, editing the file, creating the file, that cases we will use the with statement. One of the example is to create the file, open the file, save the file. But not only that, if we will use the with statement, we will make the code cleaner and simpler. Example, instead of writing multiple lines of open, try, final and close, you can create and write a text file using the with statement. See, you see the in the below two lines, blue color two lines is the simple and cleaner code to open the text file. So like that, not only not only open the text file, still we can use in other areas also. Other areas is commonly, other areas means it is generally used for management of common resources. Wherever it is required in common resources place, we can use the with statement. So again, no need to write the try, exception, finally black to handle the objects. So if we will use the with statement, after ending the with statement, whatever the objects inside the with statement, that object's memory will get release. So release, and it seems it is simpler and cleaner.